We've reached the end of our journey with Amitabha. I am so pleased with the end result of our painting practice. I am so excited to see what you guys are going to do with this material. I'm also excited to hear what you thought of my course. So at the end of this course, you should receive an email from Quicket asking how you experienced this event. I would really be grateful for some positive feedback, any feedback. All feedback is good. If there is negative feedback, it is feedback that helps me to grow and expand in my material, the way that I present it, and the end product. So your feedback is invaluable to me. So please share either in a private email with me or as a comment during the course material, or give feedback on the Quicket email that you should receive by the end of this event. So it was absolutely amazing to journey with you, and I just want to take this opportunity to just bow in gratitude to Amitabha Buddha, the Buddha of infinite light and life. Thank you for spending time with us and for blessing us with your beautiful, enlightening presence. And my wish and prayer for everyone that participated in this course going forward, that you will always feel this immeasurable light and life around in your life. So that is my wish and prayer for you. Check out my Quicket profile. There are plenty of both painting courses as well as creatively fit coaching courses that I've created up until now. So if you haven't checked out all the material that's available on Quicket, all the courses and classes is there. Please support me. Thank you for your support, and share it with family and friends as well, so that I can reach a wider audience. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for painting along with me. Thank you for being courageous in attempting this beautiful project along with me. So I will see you in another course, in another canvas class setup real soon. So thank you for now. Bye bye.